guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Sharon. You're welcome, guys. Thank you for my old time subscribers. Thank you for the new ones. Thank you, guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you all. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Support me, support me, please. Support my movements, support my journey, support everything about me, please. Please, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to cook groundnut soup. So let me introduce to you guys what I'm going to use to cook my groundnut soup. So this is my Maggi and my salt to taste. This is the groundnut, but I will melt it. The one that I want to use, this one, I will melt it. Look at it. Let me open it. I've used it before. Yeah. This is my scotch bonnet pepper, my crayfish, and my ogiri. Comment down below the English name of ogiri, please. This is my red oil. This is my fish, my onions, chopped onions, and I like adding okra, a little bit okra on my groundnut soup. And this is our meat. I've steamed it. Hope you guys can see it. I've steamed it. And this is our bitter leaf boiling, as you can see. So let's begin, guys. Let's begin. Let me on the gas. My more different meat is inside here, guys. It's already boiling. It's already boiling. So let me add oil. As let me cover as the oil is boiling now. So let me melt the groundnut that we are going to use now. So guys, I've melt it. Look at it here with cold water, or you can use warm water. I've melt it. So let me pour it so that it will boil together. Bitter leaf is still boiling. Let me off it now. Bitter leaf. Guys, did you notice that my kitchen changed? We are packed out from the former place we are living before, so that's why my kitchen changed. So let's allow it to boil very well, and as we are waiting for it to boil, let's watch the bitter leaf. Okay, be right back. Let's check. The soup is doing well. So let's add our scotch bonnet pepper. And our chopped onion. And allow it to boil. Also, wow. So let's add our Maggi. And salt. Wow. Guys, please, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, please. So now we are going to add the fish that I've steamed before. Stay gentle with the fish. Guys, comment down below, have you ever added okra before in your groundnut soup? Comment. So this is the okra now. We are going to add it now. The aroma is killing. So let me test, guys. Test with me. Wow, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, guys. I'm going to add dry pepper because the scotch bonnet pepper is not enough. Guys, I like pepper. I like much pepper. Just normal. Send me your address so that I will come and give you some to test. This head of fish, I will not share it with anybody, so I'm stirring it carefully so that it will not pieces. Can you see it, guys? This is going to be yummy. So let me add the don't like seeing this when I'm cooking. So guys, let me add the bitter leaf. I've washed it proper. Look at it. It's clean, clean, clean. I can't wait to enjoy this wonderful, delicious groundnut soup. Second test, if the pepper is okay, let me cover it a bit before taking it down. Wow. Guys, you're missing. Wow, this is yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. We are going to go this with your semo, with your gari, with your fufu, with your pandu yam, anything you want to go in with. It is late. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Ciao. I love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Look at it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is yummy. See you guys in my next video. Love you all. Thank you guys. Please do not forget to share, like, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to tell me the name of ogiri in English. My Igbo brothers and sisters and people that have Igbo friends, please tell me the name of ogiri in English. Thank you guys and bye bye.